How to post 60-second stories on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can post 60-second stories on Instagram. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your Instagram app. And now there is a step that you need to do before we get started. You have to open up your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. And here you have to search for Instagram. And you need to make sure that you have the latest version of the app, because if you do not have the updated version, then this option will not be available. So you will update from here. You can see I have already updated. Now we will get back to our Instagram. And here we'll simply go to the story. So we can just swipe, or we can click on your story button at the top. So now it allows you to add a story. So you have to select a video which is more than 15 seconds, because we know that there's a 15 seconds limit for the story. So I will select a video which is 60 seconds. So once you add the story, now you can see I can add up to a 60-second story. It will also show you a message. It actually shows a prompt when you're doing it for the first time, that now you can upload a 60-second story on Instagram. This is the latest feature, and it will allow you to add a story to your Instagram. And you can see this is like one story, and it's a 60-second video. So you just need to update Instagram, and it will allow you to add a 60-second story. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.